Hello again guys, welcome to a new video. And it's been a while guys, cause it's been really workload, overwork sa trabaho guys. Pertig yung pagkabisiha, super busy. And for today, maayong gabi Canada and maayong udto Pilipinas. So karon guys, magbuhat lang tayo about a quick video for you guys. Kaya for the past 3 days I was rushing in to catch up with the project, and now we're here at the main floor in between OR and the medical unit. But karon guys, nandito po tayo sa OR main floor. So mag quick tour lang ta guys. So it's about karon nata sa ilang sterile supply room. So gamay rin isa guys, small sterile supply room. So yeah guys, it's been busy for the past couple months, try to catch up with the video. So karon guys, mo ni siya guys, narata diri guys sa main OR floors guys. So as you can see, as always guys, I do floors if I got project. So yeah, so this is done, and probably my co-workers later they're gonna fix this one up. So this is one of the cheaters right here. So today guys, wala nilang gigamit, they're closed down for today. So I did that one yesterday and tried to catch up with the project, because every summer guys, or 6 months, we do the circulation. And this is the another supply room right here. Is a small one guys, in between kuan siya guys, in between duha ka OR room. So right here guys, so another one right here guys. So by Monday guys, they're gonna be back full operational right here, as you can see. Yeah, we're here at the main level OR. So duha ra ni ka room, operating room 11 and 12, and the couple rooms is kuan na siya guys, belong to dental guys. So pakita sa nako ninyo guys, I will show it to you guys. Okay, so in morning usa guys, I did this one yesterday as well. So yeah, this is done. Their case card is good to go, preparing for Monday. That's the bed, the 2 OR rooms. So they just got ready for Monday guys. And their small supply room right here, I did this one tonight. Same thing as the their small offices right here. Yeah, and they're preparing for and this is another dental room guys. So 2 OR rooms and 2 dental rooms are in main level. So here you go guys, as you can see, they're preparing for Monday, because Monday is gonna be back for operational again and Monday guys. So I was trying to catch up with the vlog, but for the past couple months it was so massive working guys. And as always guys, thank you for supporting my YouTube channel, and stay safe always, and coming soon, my hometown, Queen City of the South. See you guys, and as always, stay safe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video guys. Peace out yo, coming Queen City of the South. Yay!